Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get labor card number in Mohre. Start by gathering your passport, residency visa, employer name, trade license number, and labor contract details so you can complete the online steps without delays. Log into the Mohre portal or app using your UAE pass or employer credentials and navigate to the Worker Services section. Keep payment method ready for any processing fees, and ensure your phone and email are accessible for verification codes. Follow these steps in the Mohre system to locate the labor card number quickly. Sign in with UAE Pass or employer credentials, then enter the worker's passport number in the search field. Open the employee record and check the labor card section where the number appears. Download or screenshot the record for safekeeping. If the number is missing, raise a request or contact your company HR to update the registration and submit any required documents. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long days at work and standing on site. I drop the link and deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter problems locating the labor card number, stay calm and methodical. Double-check passport spelling, residency visa expiry, and that the employer details match Mohre records. Contact your company HR to confirm registration status and to submit missing documents or payments. Keep screenshots of any error messages, note transaction ID, and follow up persistently until the record shows the labor card number. This habit saves time for future queries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.